Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this is number system part 6. Number system part what? Part 6. So we are looking at in part 5, we've been able to consider how we can convert from base 10 to base 2, which is clear. We've done from 1 to 7. Okay, so you can try the other one. You can try the other numbers, maybe 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so which is the general one. Then we are also trying to convert from base 10 to other bases. Okay, it could be base 5, it could be 6, it could be base 7. Okay, not only in base 2 alone. Okay, let me just quickly title that. That's conversion, converting to converting base 10 to other bases. Converting base 10 to other bases. Converting base 10 to other bases. So the meaning of other bases that I'm mentioning here, okay, the meaning of other bases that I'm mentioning here, that is maybe base 3, base 4, base 5, base 6, base 7. Okay, it's not compulsory, but in this case it's not base 2. Okay, let me just give let me just coin out few examples here. Let's assume we have example 1. Okay, this is straight to the point. We don't need to waste much time on how to arrive at the answer, but just understand that okay, you are converting from base 10 to other bases. Okay, we've done the one for base 10 to base 2, so we are converting to other bases, maybe base 3. Let's assume convert 30 base 10 to base 5. Convert 30 base 10, assuming we are given this question. Convert 30 base 10 to base 5. Now, in this case, it's not base 2. The meaning of other bases is what? Base 5. Okay? So follow the same method. Follow the same what? The same method. Okay, let me just divide this to manage space. Okay? So you have your table. You have your table. Okay? This is your 30 here. So you are converting to base 5 is here. So you have your what? Your remainder. Very simple. Okay, so there's no excuse for you not to be very good in mathematics. Okay, so we are making it easier for you now so that you can learn at your comfort zone. Okay, so now just take your time, listen to exactly what I'm doing. Okay, then if you can pick as many questions as possible under this part, then it will be more easier for you to, very good in this aspect. So look at this now. That is 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5 is what? 6. Is it remaining anything? No, it's not remaining anything. So that is 6. Remainder what? 0. It's as simple as that. So the next one you divide again. Okay? So this one is the same thing as saying 6 divided by 5. 6 divided by 5. Is it remain? Is 1. 5 times 1, 5. So will it remain anything? It will remain what? It will remain 1. So it means it can go 1. It will remain what? 1. That's the meaning. Okay, so that is that. Now the third step. So it's now what? 1 divided by 5. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. 1 divided by 5. Is it possible? No. You write what? 0. Remainder what? 1. This is 0. It's not possible. It will remain what? 1, which is the 1 on top here. So it's as simple as that. It's not something very hard at all. Okay, so it means that at the end of the day, just do your counting from the bottom to the top, because you've already gotten 0. You've gotten to minimum, which is 0. So you now say, therefore, 30 base 10 is equals to what? 110 in what? In base 5. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as A, B, C. Okay? You can see that that is just a typical example of what I'm saying. So it's not compulsory, it's going to be base 5. We could say base 6. We could say base 4. We could say base 3. Okay? That is convert 30 base 10 to base 3. I can say convert 30 base 10 to what? Base 4. I can say convert 30 base 10 to what? Base 7. So just follow the same procedure. Okay, let me just quickly look at another example here. Let's assume we are converting, um, let's assume we are converting, let me use the word 27, 27 base 10 to this example 2 now. Okay, 27 base 10, let me just use the word, let me just use 6. We are converting 27 base 10 to what? To base 6. To base 6. Okay, so you follow the same procedure. Follow the same procedure. You have your 27, you have your 6, you have your remainder. Okay, now, so what you now do is that you now look at it, that's 27 divided by 6. That's the first one you're doing. So 6 times 3, 18. So plus another 6, that's 24. So 6 times 4 is what? Is 24. So it means 6 can go in 27 4 times. Okay, so it means that what will you write? You write 4 times, that is going, what is it remaining? Is remaining what? 3 to make it 27. 6 times 4, 24. Okay, so you have your 4. What's the remaining to make it 27? That is 3. So you write your what? 3 out. It's as simple as that. That's the remainder. So you have your remainder to be what? To be 3. So now the next one is what? Pick 6 again. So this one will now be 4 divided by 6. Is it possible for 6 to go in 4? No. So it means this one is not possible, which is 0. Remember what? 4. So it means you write 0 and you write what? 4. So you count from the bottom. It's as simple as that. You count from the bottom to the top. Okay? You count from the bottom to the top. So it means, therefore, 27 base 10 is equals to 43 base what? Base 6. So it's as simple as that. So this is conversion from base 10, converting base 10 to other bases. So you can see that this is straightforward now. So if I want to do it now, I can say, okay, let me just give one additional example so that it can be clearer. You can get the understanding. So for us to get the understanding, let me pick one more question here. So let me just say we have, let me just say we have, that's example 3. That's convert, convert, let me just say 64 base 10 to, let me just say base 8. Okay, to base 8. You follow the same procedure. Okay, you have your table. Okay, so you have your 64. You are converting to base 8. You have your 8 here, so you have your remainder. Okay, so now the first thing you just need to do is that, okay, 64 divided by 8. Okay, 64 divided by 8. 8 times 8 is what? 64. Okay, so you have your 8. 8 times 8 is what? 64. You have your 8. Then is it remaining anything? No, it's not remaining anything. So you write your 0. Okay, I guess this one is straightforward. So then you have another 8 again. Okay, so it means what you're going to do is 8 divided by 8, which is what? 1. Is it remaining anything? No. That is, 8 can go in 8. So is 1. Then it's not remaining anything. Okay, that is step 2. So the next division, that is 1 divided by 8. Is it possible to have 1 divided by 8? No, it's not what? It's not possible. So since it's not possible, then it means that you will have what? 0, then remaining what? 1, which is the 1 on top. So it means you have your 8, you have your 0, then it's remaining what? 1. So what do? You count from the bottom to the top. Now say therefore 64 base 10 is equals to what? 100 in what? In base what? 8. It's as simple as that. So please, you can pick as many questions as possible under this part, okay? Pick as many questions as possible. Try to work around it. It's very simple. It's very easy. Just go through them, and then, you'll be able to get your answer. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Continue to like on our social medias, on Instagram, on TikTok, and then on Facebook. Okay, share so that we can reach a lot of young minds for them to see that mathematics is what? It's simple and it's interesting, and it's just like chin chin and pure water. Cheers.